Hey guys, so come with me to the store. We're gonna go pick up a few items that I forgot to purchase. So check out my fit. I just put boots and sweats on because I just wanted to try it for once. I'll see you in a minute. So I made it here and stopped to do a TikTok, but it's pretty fast walk. It's kind of short distance, and so I'm just gonna pick up the essentials and go about my day. If you want to join me later, then maybe we can pick up something to eat or something. Alright, see you in a bit. Okay, so far I got cups that I need, and I also picked this up for less than $1.50. It's on sale. It was like over 10 bucks. And then I also found this witch hazel, which I use for toner, and also insect bites and all kinds of other things. I love this stuff, and it was $1.25. And I also found this. If you don't have one of these, buy these, because it's easier to buy mixed packets than it is to buy whole drinks, and this is only $1. It's like a good investment for your fridge. And there's a bunch of other things in this dollar section. The clearance is kind of rummaged through already, so but I found a bunch of deals that I like here, and they have pet stuff too, and I love this section. This is my section. Look at that. They have an organizer. It's pretty big. I want one. They have purple, lavender, and blue, royal blue. They're really cute. They're cuter in person. And storage, baking stuff. So far, so good. So this is where the food's at, and they have everything in here. I really need onion powder, but I don't think they have any right now. But look what I found. Tortillas for $1.99. That is such a good deal. If you don't need them now, you can probably freeze them. They also have this kit right here, and right now you can use your card, and you get 2 for $6. So it's pretty good. Definitely. Here they have sodas. They have nice soda, which is $1.89 in case you didn't know. They got ginger ale, cherry cola, and cola. Right now I want this one so bad, but you guys know how I'm on my health journey, and one day I'm gonna treat myself. They're pretty inexpensive. Look, this one's 0 sugar. It's a pretty good deal. So I'm gonna keep looking. What's this? Laundry hamper. Oh, it's a pop-up laundry hamper for $3.29. Pretty good. Look at all these deals. Takis. Ooh, Easter. Yes, Easter basket from 30 to 14. Pretty good. Ooh, I love Squishmallows. They have a little Peeps. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, hello, my friend. So I know I'm on my health journey, but I usually stop and get something here because they're usually inexpensive and they're healthier. So instead of going to the candy or the cookie, I usually come here to the nice area because it says nice, so I call it the nice bar, and then I just pick out whatever and treat myself to it. So I'm not sure. They have all kinds of trail mix, all kinds of nuts and yogurt covered and chocolate covered, and they even have Cheetos, popcorn. pretzel. So look at this Cajun snack mix, $2.29. So these are 4 for $3. These are $1.99. Oh, these maple pecans glaze mix, that looks so good. Okay, I'll be back. So I got it, and we'll check it out when we get home. But first I want to go and see if I can get like a burger or something. And I don't know. I'm not too sure. I'm kind of tired, but we'll see. We'll see. All right. So I went to Rally's and got like a Philly burger with fries, $6.10. It's a pretty good deal. I got tea because my diet. So this is what we're working with. So I just got back and I have sugar all over me. Like literally, oh man, that was tiring. I still can't see because my eyes are not adjusted to from the sun. And like, I'm glad I ate because like it was kind of sunny out there, but my shirt's like supposed to protect me from UV, so that's why I had it. And like I get cold sometimes, like if I'm just standing around I get really cold. So I wore a jacket even though it was like 70 degrees. Like the degrees that really affects me is when it's like 60 degrees. When it's 60, I need a jacket. When it's 70, if I'm standing still, then I need a jacket. Let me just rip this. So, let's see. It says that I saved $12.60. And the total was $7.26. So, and everything was under $2. So we'll just go over what I got. So I got cups, 20 pack of cups. I always need cups. And I got this spray. This spray is like mist, like if you're gonna be in the sun, you're supposed to twist it. It says twist to open. And it's sunscreen SPF 100 UVA and UVB. These are important if you're gonna be in the sun, to make sure that you're protected with UVA, UVB, and you just literally spray like this, your whole body, whatever you're gonna have exposed. You should do this like in your undergarments and then let it absorb, and then go and do whatever you need to do, like, you know, just get in there. It's it smells like deodorant. It doesn't like have like a weird smell. So I got, see, earn $5 with cash rewards when you spend $25 on your next store purchase. So I got a coupon. If I spend $25 with this coupon, I get $5 back. And like I showed you guys in the store, got a pitcher. So if I need to make frozen juice or any kind of juice, I was thinking about making protein shakes in here, or any kind of juice. Like you just make it in here, and you can have it all summer round. Also, like what I do sometimes, I'll get a whole pitcher of water and put it in the freezer, and let it freeze up a little bit, and then I'll drink that during the day just to stay cool. I don't know if you guys are already experiencing that. I showed you my $2 tortillas. This is the most expensive thing, but in my house we have to have tortillas like all the time. And like I said, you can just freeze them. It's like a resealable thing. You just open this flap right here and then stick it right back on. So this was 8 tortillas. And then I got this. This is like skincare. It's witch hazel. So this is good for your scalp. This is good for to help with like scratches or skin eruptions. Also, another good use for this, like if you need to, like, say I was out right now, if you need to like rinse off or something, you can get like a little paper towel and like just wipe your skin if you get a little bit of dirt on you, because that's what I use it on my face. Like after I wash, I put some of this on, or like in your scalp. I don't know if you guys ever get like scalp problems. This is the biggest one that I make sure to have on hand. When you get anything in your scalp, the witch hazel not only cleans your scalp, but it also stimulates hair growth. I wouldn't say that this is pure witch hazel, in which case it might, you know, if you're using it to stimulate hair growth, like, no, just like it's not gonna hurt your skin, your hair, or your follicle. And it does contain alcohol, so that's not great for your hair, but you know what I mean. If you need it and you're having an irritation problem, it's better to be safer. And I'm not saying to douse yourself in it, because like I know you probably think, oh well, witch hazel is good for your hair, let me douse myself in it. No, I just mean that if you have something going on, this will help that problem specifically. And you know, if you want to target your hair growth, there are things to buy that target your hair growth, but this will help your scalp improve the tone, the texture, and you know, the health. But like I said, it has alcohol, so don't douse yourself in it. So oh, and I was using my new wallet. My new wallet, it's cute. So that was fun. I think I spent a total of like maybe 15 bucks or so. And I had a good time with you guys, and I hope you enjoyed yourself too. So thank you for joining me today in my little walk to the store just to buy things that I forgot to buy. And I'll see you again soon. See you later. Bye-bye. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. My Sunday front. Bye-bye.